the training has been awesome. We've learned a lot. We know how to analyze results, we know how to set up results, we know different application in terms of real-time PCR. I think this training is necessary because we are moving into a modern generation, or modern, I can put it as modern generation. Things are changing, technologies are changing. Previously, we used to use a thermocycler to identify, quantify bacteria and other microorganisms, but with this new technology which is happening, I feel like it's wise for us to move with time. So it's quite important for us to learn new things as well.
I found the training quite amazing because it's really related to the project that I'm currently trying to conduct for this 2 years. The highlight or the favorite part of this training, it was just the experience that I gained for real-time PCR in terms of the analysis, in terms of the review of the results.
I think this kind of training is necessary for any African institution that is working with molecular work, because it kind of equips people and researchers at large to be exposed to world-class technology, so to speak, which will improve the research as well as shorten the time of processing samples and analyzing samples. I think the highlight for me has been more to do with how the analysis of the results are, because I think that's one of the key elements in research. You have to be able to analyze your data after you run your samples, and as such, learning how you analyze data from this instrument is very vital for any interpretation of whatever you get.